You are not putting 15 IEDs on the drone.
We fucking are.
Fuck off.
Can you stream it in Discord when you fly it?
Hold on. I'll just start streaming right now. Fuck off with that. How do I stream? How do I turn on?
It's
Stream
not going to
squad.
be just by the disconnect button.
Go live. There we go.
You press leave server. And then you tab back in the game and hit. I was gonna say you tab back in the game and press Alt F4.
Yo, Denny, you're not using any of the builds that they have.
I know, because we're 15 IEDing right now.
Last cab across the desert.
Start
Metal
dropping
Gear.
it at the other one. No, start dropping it at the other one. Next.
That's only 4.
Yep. You'll stack your last ones on once we get them. Once we have to like throw everything.
Are
on.
you guys switching sappers? I don't know if the IEDs explode.
I have an
right?
IED too.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
No, you just throw them up on the table.
Wait. I'm third. I'm third in line. Give.
Okay. When you guys say detonate, I'll tell this blueberry to detonate.
Fucking transport truck almost flipped me,
Hey,
dude. This
easy
fucking
on the-
idiot.
easy on the
detonate,
phone. Don't
but
pull
I'll
out
tell you
your
when to
phone.
detonate,
Don't
alright?
tell me to.
Got it. I appreciate that.
Make sure.
Dude, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Alright, is that it?
Oh, absolutely not.
It won't let me place them higher. What?
Nah, dude. They keep going.
Wait, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, so can you put an attack mark on Bravo for a second?
Alright, that's good, that's good.
Alright, hold on.
Oh my god,
Range.
Do they all move?
Yeah.
they all move.
Oh my god.
It looks like an angry swarm of bees.
So, Denny, they don't have a hat down yet. They're just
Someone take
walking
a fucking
across from the first
screenshot. Someone
cab.
take a screenshot.
What's up, check?
They don't have a hat down yet. They're walking across from first cab. They're just in the middle of the fucking desert. They don't have a hat down.
Oh, yes.
Dude.
Dude, it's so far away and it looks like a fucking helicopter.
Oh, this is gonna be great. This is an MRAP. What is this? That looks like a full logi.
Alright.
Full logic towards
Jack,
the
fucking
bridge
stream.
to the west.
Just follow the logi.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just follow
They're
him.
gonna
Just
have...
follow him. Don't blow it up.
No,
Just
what's
follow him.
even better is they'll probably
Let him
hear it and
know.
they'll be like...
Should be
Streaming you up and recording?
Yeah.
Wait, where's the fucking IED drone, bro? Holy shit, bro. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my god.
Get ready.
Holy fuck, bro. He's got a ton of teammates there.
Blow, 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 blow. Everybody blow.
Holy fucking shit. That was one of the biggest explosions I've ever seen in my life.
I just recorded the other end of that. I was sitting right next.